Morning brewers, Gary from VOC Home Brewery. We're back again this morning, just about to start doughing in. Today we're brewing a Northern Monk Have Some More Faith. It's basically my twist on a Northern Monk Faith clone. I've done this twice before, both on my Brewfather, both on the Grainfather. First time it came out really well, closest I've ever got a homebrew beer to commercial. Didn't last long, fantastic beer, really tasty. Second time just was a bit meh, to be honest with you. Had a brilliant brew day and it turned out average, so there you go. That's show business. Hopefully this one will come out well today. The grain bill's pretty simple. It's Minnesota. I should have used Golden Promise, but I thought I had some and didn't. And it's basically oat malt and wheat malt. You see the amounts on there. So yeah, there we are. System's up to temp, so it's just after 6:30 in the morning. I'm a rather sad person on a brew day, so there we are. Yeah, I'll check back when I'm a bit further along. Cheers. Morning brewers, back again. The mashers got all doughed in. Just started the mash off. It's been going about 13 minutes now, so things are running okay. That's the speed I've got the pump going. See it's maintaining its own heat. So you could see it before. If you just look, oh there it is there. You just look in, you can see the higher level just to the right hand side of the kettle. That's how it started off, and it's kind of equalised. It stayed steady there, so that's why I got the pump on it for 35%. It seems to be, it was on a touch higher to start with, but it seems to be just carried on dropping. So that's where it is at the moment. Hopefully it should stay there or equalise. I'll take another vid a little bit later when the water clears up, just about to take a pH reading. So yeah, check back in a bit. Cheers. Hi brewers, back again. We're just getting up to the boil. Done the sparge, did it by hand. We've got about 32 litres in the kettle, ever so slightly 0.3 of a litre above the recipe, so we'll let that ride. Pre-boil gravity is 1047, just 0.1 above the 1046 on the recipe, so we're close on that. So yeah, I'll get back to you probably after the boil. I've had a new, excuse the mess down there, it's always like that, a new bung for the steam hat. Brewtools kindly sent me one out because I was having issues with the one that came with it through the malt miller, so shout out to them. Lovely job. So yeah, I'll do another vid very shortly. Cheers. Hi guys and gals and brewers, just coming up to the boil, and that's what we got in the kettle, boiling almost. Well, I think it's boiling. If that was the Grainfather, that'd be boiling its head off, but give this thing another minute and it will be boiling its head off. So yeah, I'll try and do a shot through the new top bung in a bit, when I've told this to press that button there when it's at 100. So nearly there, another minute, maybe 2 minutes most, and this will be on a full rolling boil. So right, check back later. The brewers back again, just on the 20-minute hop stand. The kettle, see, just whirring away there. Sanitised the chiller and everything beforehand. So yeah, it's just on 80. Put the hops in. The 20-minute hop stand a couple of minutes ago. I think it was 81 or 82. I put it in it. Things to do after, so I've got to go into hurry up mode. So yeah, check back when I get it in the fermenter. I'll get back to you in a bit.